Hey, good morning. March 6, 2024. I'm Dr. Deuk. I'm here at Deuk Spine Institute with one of my patients who traveled here for a thoracic disc problem. I'm going to let her tell you a little bit more about how life was before her surgery. Thoracic disc herniations and pain, they're not as common as lumbar and cervical, but when they do happen, they can rob people of their quality of life. What was your life like before you had your surgery yesterday?
Oh, miserable. I spent over 5 years being in 24-hour pain. Just pain. Couldn't go anywhere. 95% of my time is at home, in the house. Before then, I would dance, have fun, work out. But now, pretty much, I'm a prisoner in my own house, in my own body.
And where was your pain?
Right at T3, T4, burning, aching, 24 hours a day, no sleep, nothing. Just sitting in the house all day, not living my life at all.
And yesterday we went in endoscopically. We found that T3-4. We used the laser to clean out your disc and get rid of the herniation and the tear. How do you feel today?
Oh, I feel fantastic. I feel like a new person. I feel like I got a new beginning, a new chance at life. Thank God for you.
You know, the burning, it's common for people to have muscle pain after the surgery. We can't fix muscle pain. We fix joint pain, but we can't fix muscle. And unfortunately, when you have joint pain, like you did, the disc pain, it's a deep knife aching pain, and it keeps you from doing things like you said. You were robbed of dancing and doing all the activities you normally do. So the muscles get deconditioned. They start to get weak. It takes time to rebuild them. And that's one of the things we can't do as surgeons. We can't rebuild your muscles. The patients have to. And so now you're going to go out and be active?
Absolutely.
You're going to start dancing again?
Absolutely.
And who are you going to think about when you're dancing?
You?
Dr. Deuk and Deuk Spine.
I'm gonna make up a Deuk line dance. How about that?
Oh, I love it. Promise me you're going to post that on YouTube so we can see it.
I have a YouTube channel. How about you? Got to come on my YouTube channel.
I would be happy to come on your YouTube channel.
Sure.
You have my cell phone number. Text me. Let me know what you want me to do. I would love to do whatever you need me to do on your YouTube channel. It would be an honor.
And I want to say one other thing.
Yes, ma'am.
If you're in pain, don't ever give up. I research countless nights. Don't believe what the first doctor say. I had doctors who tell me just be this way the rest of your life. I refused to give up. I said, no, you just practicing medicine. I'm doing to somebody else. So don't give up. Don't believe the first doctor, the second, third, fourth, or fifth. I've seen over 20 doctors to be exact. So don't give up. Do your research and come to this man, Deuk Spine Institute in Melbourne, Florida. Don't give up.
We've been very blessed here at Deuk Spine for several reasons. God has given us the ability to understand where pain comes from, but also how to get rid of it.
Absolutely.
Properly and safely.
Absolutely.
And that's what we did yesterday. We went in with the endoscope and we found the tear and we used the laser. We did it all with a 4mm incision. You can almost not see it on her back. I had to look for it.
Right.
But it was right next to that giant incision that they did. Some doctor tried to cut her muscle out of her spine to get rid of her
trigger point excision is what they call it. Yeah.
That was a first for me in 26 years of practicing spine surgery. Never seen that. Cut the muscle out. But that's not the right thing, folks. Muscles are not the main source of pain. It is the joints, and the muscles are secondary. So fix the joint problem underneath, and the muscle pain will eventually go away. Congratulations. Is there anything else you want to say to your people out there, your YouTubers, your followers?
Absolutely. Just stay tuned. The party is going to happen. The party is going to happen. And one other thing, you said this was the first time you ever seen this. You're the first doctor I ever seen do what you do.
Thank you.
So we're 1 and 1.
There we go.
Hey. Thank you so much, Dr.
You're welcome. Safe travels, sweetheart.
Thank you.